Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I took down a vent off of the house. Let me show you. There's where the vent was. I took the siding down, took the vent off. Let me show you why. Here we have our brand new vent next to our old vent. The old vent looks fine. Brand new vent looks better. Why did I take this vent off? Well, it's starting to crack and to get damaged, and bats were able to get through. I bat proofed the house a while ago, and I hadn't had time to get back to change the vent, but today I've changed the vent. I had made some temporary patches in the vent where there were holes in it that bats could get through. But let me show you the real reason why we're changing out this vent. Watch this. The UV had caused this vent to start to shatter and break. And it was only going to get worse, and it was only a matter of time for bats to get in. So we're putting a brand new one on to replace this one. I got another one to do in the house, then we'll be all done. Don't know why, but I find this deeply satisfying. Satisfying. Okay, update. There's a new vent installed. Looks pretty sharp. Sure beats the other one that was damaged by UV. Thank you.